All right, back at another victim. We're on a winning streak today. She wanted to play this one right here. Quick hit explosion. Okay, I don't know how much one. It's a little nibble. Are you ready? Spending $3 to get the. A lot of bars over there. Okay. You can switch around whenever you want. Yeah. Oh, that wild would have been good on third reel. Oh, you got bars all the way across. That's pretty good. Oh, nice. Come on. 7. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if you were betting bigger if it would have done something, but that's a pretty decent one. This game does have good like hit rates. Quick hit, everyone says. Oh, 7's all the way almost. Five $3 spins now. Come on, 7. Oh man, that's that third reel. Again, same thing. It can expand at any time, that's what it said, so. Oh, come on, right now, do it. Wilds. Oh, just those bars? Man, that sucks. I mean, oh, you still got, no, that's pretty good. Yeah, you got almost 3x your bet back. It's crazy how it could just expand at any time, you know? Ring my bell. 7. Oh, okay, nice, you got that. That's good. See, I don't think you get the explosion jackpot, but you still can get bonus rounds if you don't bet the 3 or 5, so. Nice. I didn't even realize you won on that one. I'm just zoning out, watching the top. Nice. Almost got all your money back. That's good. What's the magic number? Look at her working her. Okay. Working up. Come on here. Ooh. And if you had one more of those, yes, that is the magical. Oh, that wild, it needs to be in the middle. So there you go. So 3 of those equal free games. So that's only 1, obviously, but. Oh. Come on. Diamonds. 7. Oh, yes, you got it. Nice. You're not going to be eligible for the jackpot, I don't think, but you did get it, yeah. So she was betting smaller, but still, it's fun. Collect 5. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, so everything is, okay. Drop. So what happens? Okay. Okay. So you get, I think you win those on a quick hit. So those are all up. So you're upgrading them. Jackpot upgrade, nice. What a jackpot. I love how it says jackpot. $6. Okay, cool. Come on, things. Do things. All right, 2 quick hits. Okay, 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 one more. One more there, I don't know what it does. They got all 5 of them, that's pretty good. When do you get to collect on them? Get that $300 one at the top. Nice. Exciting, so now I think you collect that as well, right? Or that's just the one you... So you have to work your way up. Stop, nice, nice. Good job, good job. This is a good one. Do it again. Come on. Nice. Okay. So it's upgraded. So 3 spins. Come on. I think you need one on the first reel to make things happen. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But if you get the quick hit, you actually get that money towards the thing. Oh, if there was one on that first one. I'm pretty sure. I may accidentally be wrong though. Come on, one on the first. Just to make sure, okay. Okay. I think that's your current one now. Yep. Okay. Hit the magic button. Bam. All right. What is this? Okay. Good. Good. Keep it going. Keep it. Yes. Yes. She's like, wow. Agreed. Look at this. Oh, that long one. Stop it. Okay. Oh, that little baby one at the top. Oh, they stopped though. Oh, nice. 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 Okay. I mean, you're working your way up there. Keep it going.
That's it.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the last one. Okay. Big win. Nice. Yeah, it would have been a little bit more up there, but then again, like if you weren't, you might not even got this one if you were betting that one too quickly. You know, you might have ran out of ammo. Nice. Good job. And that is how you lock up another win.